All right, welcome. Southeast Executive Traffic, Bonanza 2357, November is going to back taxi 35, Southeast Greensboro.
Davis County, attack 252, 7 mile final, runway 24, circle land, runway 6, Davis County traffic.
Southeast traffic, 2357, November is departing 35, Southeast Greensboro. All right, here we go. That little plane, whatever that is, that Cub or Tri-Pace.
Traffic band 25745 is 10 miles, runway 31, simulated engine out.
All right, power's set. Everything's in the green. Looking good. Airspeed's alive.
We're off on a right 360 about 5 to the south. Yeah, we probably should have communicated that a little earlier, shouldn't we?
As you can see, if you lost an engine,
follow you.
you'd be screwed.
Appreciate it.
Greensboro Airport AI test information hotel 254 rules. Wind 340
Davis County traffic, crew track 252 is on a 5 mile final for runway 24, circle to land 6. Davis County traffic. Orbiting over, Marburg Max 6.
Altimeter 29906. Visual approach 5 right, 5 left.
It's a traffic, Sky 377 Mike, we're left turn out to the west, last call.
ILS runway 5 right out.
Again, the traffic, we're circuit 85 with it, we're 4 miles to the southwest on overfly the field and going to downwind for 6, Davis Airport.
Read back on runway hold short instructions. Contact ground on 121.9 for clearance and
Shallow traffic, Tango Foxtrot, base runway 31, touch and go.
Contact. You have information.
Shallow traffic pipeline 739er, Foxtrot Mike. We're leaving the area out to the northeast. Last call, shallow.
Airport AI test information.
Try to get the winds.
254 rules. Wind 340 at 5.
Yeah.
Visibility 8. Clear below wind 2000. Temperature 23. 2.16. Altimeter 29906. Visual approach 5 right, 5 left in use. Notice to air missions. Runway 5 right closed. ILS runway 5 right out of service. Runway 5 right, 23 left approach light system out of service. Practice approach is not available at Greensboro Airport. Read back on runway hold short instructions.
Greensboro approach, RV 713 Delta Romeo.
Taxi instructions.
RV 713 Delta Romeo, Greensboro approach.
You have information.
Greensboro, I'm about 35 miles east, inbound with hotel, inbound for signature.
November 3 Delta Romeo, Greensboro, altimeter 29907, squawk 0141.
Greensboro approach, Bonanza 2357, November.
0141, 713 Delta Romeo.
There's a call on standby. Check. Alright, Bonanza calling approach, go ahead.
Yes, sir, 2357 November. We're just off of Southeast Greensboro, or Greensboro Executive, back inbound for landing with, we have the ATIS.
Number 57 November, Greensboro, altimeter 2997, squawk 0142.
0142, I'd like to put 32 on request if I could.
Number 57 November, roger, expect runway 32.
Roger, thank you.
Number 3 Delta Romeo, radar contact 12 miles east of Burlington Airport.
Delta Romeo, say again.
Number 3 Delta Romeo, radar contact 12 miles east of Burlington Airport.
No copy on the frequency.
November 713 Delta Romeo, remain this frequency, you're just radar contact. November 57 November, radar contact 12 miles south of Greensboro Airport. Enter 5 miles straight in, runway 32.
5 miles straight in, 32, 57 November. Road load and approach. 32.
November 57 November, contact tower 119.1, good day.
191, 57 November, good day. Greensboro Tower, Bonanza 2357 November is with you for 32.
November, Greensboro Tower, runway 32, continue.
Continue, 57 November. Alright, they don't want to give us clearance. Alright, we're going to pull the power back. Still don't like that I should have mentioned this gauge to him. I bet he could have fixed it. Damn guys at Corey cut. So, let's give a shout out to Aircraft Management Inc. down at Greensboro Executive. Did an outstanding job on my annual. Plane's flying good. We're on the left tank. We got plenty of fuel. So he's got enough fuel to get down there. We're going to shallow it. Start it.
57 November, runway 32, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land, 32. We're going to Dragon's Retreat over there, Alpha 1.
Roger.
Give him a little heads up. Alright. Alright. Let's go.
Alright, 51 Roanoke. Departure now, you're on the 320 heading, contact departure, good day.
Okay, yeah, we'll let them know 320 heading over to departure.
I didn't check the NOTAMs. It's VFR, it's severe clear. So I didn't check, but I don't know if the ILS is in op. I don't see a glide slope.
Greensboro Tower, Bonanza 23534, ready for takeoff, 5 left.
Hey, it's Bill.
34, Greensboro Tower, roger.
Right now we got a glide slope. Let's see if 2000 captures. I guess.
Bonanza 534, say again, your transmission got cut off.
Bonanza 23534, fly runway heading, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, we'll fly runway heading, Bonanza 534.
Up to glide slope. Speed checks for full flaps, they're moving. Let me use moves up trim. Alright, we'll see if I can remember how to land this thing. I think I feel a little close. I'm gonna slide the seat back in that. Oh, that might be too far. Yep, yeah, somewhere in there. I don't know, right there maybe. I don't know. That's kind of far. There we go, right there. I don't know. I'd like in between. I'm kind of in between notches. I'd like to be back a little bit, but not as far as the next notch. Hate to be picky. Alright, we're doing about 90. We ease our power back a little bit more because we're a little high, a little fast. Oh, I guess if I dip down, I can make that Alpha 1, right? Maybe, right? We'll see. Alright, speed is good.
534, turn right heading 090, contact departure.
090, 0 departure 534.
We'll slow down a little more. My car's still there. Alright, very good. Cow flaps.
Bonanza 57 November, can you make Mike? Next left turn.
Yes, sir, we'll make Mike.
Bonanza 57 November, turn left at Mike. Continue taxiing Mike Alpha to the Dragon's Retreat.
Mike Alpha to Dragon's Retreat, 57 November, thank you.
Bonanza 57 November, is that something new over there, Dragon's Retreat?
Yeah, it was Snyder Tire, and then new guys moved in.
Bonanza 57 November, roger.
All right, well, welcome back to our Dragon's Retreat.
1924, visual approach 5 left.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next one.
1924.